Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Azure Event Hubs is a fully managed, real-time data ingestion service that is simple, scalable, and reliable. It enables you to ingest and process large volumes of data from various sources in real time. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Azure Event Hubs with Python using the azure-eventhub library. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Now, let's write a Python script to send events to the Event Hub. Replace your _connection _ with the connection string of your Azure Event Hub's namespace and your _eventhub name with the name of your Event Hub. This script creates an Event Hub producer client and sends a single event containing the message "Hello, Event Hub" to the Event Hub. Now, let's write a Python script to receive events from the Event Hub. Replace your _connection with the connection string of your Azure Event Hub's namespace and your _eventhub name with the name of your Event Hub. This script creates an Event Hub consumer client and listens for events from all partitions of the Event Hub. When an event is received, it prints the partition ID and the body of the event. In this tutorial, you learned how to send and receive events to and from Azure Event Hubs using Python. Event Hubs provides a scalable and reliable platform for real-time data ingestion and processing, making it suitable for various use cases such as telemetry processing, log aggregation, and IoT data ingestion. Experiment with different configurations and explore the capabilities of Azure Event Hubs to meet your specific requirements. ChatGPT.